What's up YouTube, this is Brian and welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a quick review of Blur Boundaries kids foot pegs and we'll be putting them on the SUPER73 CX Wound Rock. They were finally in stock and I grabbed a pair for my young one for the rides that we'll be doing together. These pegs are made out of steel. They are 8 inches long and come in a black texture powder coat. And even though they may not seem very thick, they feel solid and definitely should not bend if kids are using them. And also the midsection is welded to the tube itself for more support. We also got 4 screws, short screws to use if using the pegs on the front of the bike frame, and the long screws for the back side of the bike's frame. I will try both of these screws on both sides of the bike's frame, so if watching this you can get a better reference point and hopefully it will help make your kid's foot peg decision for your SUPER73. If this video helps you in any way, please leave a like so that this video can reach other people in the community. It will mean a lot to me. And before I try them on the bike, my final thought is that they are worth the price. The end product is solid. It looks sleek and it should complement my and your SUPER73. Alright, so we're here now on the bike. I am going to be using the SUPER73 CX for the foot pegs. And as we saw, it comes with 4 screws. The shorter screws are if you want to put the pegs on the front of the frame, and then your longer screws are in case you want to put the foot pegs behind the frame. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the front of the frame, and I'll do the back too just to show you guys, so for reference. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we have it, guys. It feels pretty solid and the foot pegs are not going to be sliding down or anything like it happened with my previous pair. I'll go ahead and do them on the back end and show you guys. So there you have it. This is what the pegs look on the back end of the frame, guys. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you prefer the pegs on the front or the back of the frame. I'm kind of liking it in the front, but I do believe that it gives you a little more space here if you put them on the back end like I have them now. Anyways, this is all for today, guys. Appreciate your time. Again, I'll catch you guys on the next ride. Peace.